another lacrosse road trip. We're here at the Holiday Inn Express in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We have a lacrosse game tomorrow at Mount Mercy. What was the name of the college, Holly? Mount Mercy?
Mount Mercy.
So college lacrosse. The girls are on a bus. They won't be here for a couple more hours. We left earlier than them because we want to explore the town. They don't get to. They get to the hotel and have to go somewhere else. But we get to explore the town. But first, let's check in. Alright, this looks like the breakfast area. Quite a bit smaller than the Holiday Inn we stayed at a couple weeks ago. But still, can't beat your free breakfast. One elevator. This is
free water.
I know. This is quite a bit smaller than the other Holiday Inn Express. One elevator, no free water, breakfast 7 to 10.
It's kind of late for breakfast.
I know, I swear, I think the last one was like 6, wasn't it? Started at 6.
I think I can't remember, but shut it down.
It's one of those elevators. Did we break it already? I'm not for sure I would have done that. I didn't catch it on video, but it made a scary noise.
Like it just stopped.
And I was just talking to Holly about the new Final Destination, so like, do we really want to be stuck in an elevator? It's only 3 floors.
Yeah. How hard can it go down?
Yeah, you say that now, but it's still a ton of weight.
Alright, so
So yeah, this one was what, a 5-hour drive from St. Louis?
about 4.5.
See Holly's Pepsi bag from our childhood when you used to collect Pepsi points?
This bag is like 30 years old, and it's been a lot of places.
One of my favorite TikTokers was showing her Marlboro collection. Marlboro, the cigarettes, remember? How do you say that?
Marlboro.
Marlboro.
Yeah, I think
yeah. So I'm like, I remember having a Marlboro duffel bag. I still have my Pepsi jean jacket. It's one of my most prized possessions. This is a little smaller than our last stay. It's nice. It's nice. But Holly's taking me on a hotel road trip, so she's been in quite more hotels than me lately because she went to Pigeon Forge with them. I did not go. I'll let Holly figure that out. I was trying to put that up. Is it a shower or a tub?
Both, but no individual soaps.
All right, small tub. Hand soap right there. It's fine.
I think this is a newer one for sure.
And then I think I looked at her receipt. It was like $130 for one night.
Yeah, so after taxes it was $167.
Okay.
After all the extra fees, you know what I mean?
It was a little warm.
It wasn't on.
Okay.
Oh. I didn't rip it. It was just sitting there.
Okay, you didn't break it? Is that what you're saying? Because it kind of looked a little...
See, look, it's fixed. Here.
I do actually like...
Jenny showed him it's fixed.
It is fixed. The one thing I noticed is this wood is light. I'm so used to hotels having like the dark wood. So I actually like that they have the light wood. Safe, ironing board. Like kind of reminds me of, these are like wood that Florida hotels would have.
Yeah, I like
Usually the Midwest, we all have the dark brown wood. So I like it. Like this. They did an upgrade and forgot to change. That's funny.
Why do we have 2 temperature controls?
All right, change of plans. That won't go below 88, and it's very warm in here. And so they're switching our rooms. So it was a nice tour while it lasted. We're back in the elevator down. So the front desk did come to our room to check out the air conditioning unit, and they agreed there's something wrong with it. So now we're going back down to get different room keys in the very small elevator.
Oh, this one looks a little different.
This is 105. Does it seem a bit bigger?
No.
All right, as long as the air conditioning unit I like this works, I like this room better because we don't have to get into the scary elevator. Because the room's already a lot cool.
It's already better because it's set at 60.
Yeah, that room our other room was very, very hot. Same bathroom, same tub. Everything is the same. I thought it looked a little bit bigger. Holly says it's the same. But it is instantly cooler. Whew, so much better. And I can hear that. Oh my God, yes, that's such cool air blowing. And we don't have to worry about that elevator, which, I mean, the elevator's fine. But, you know, there's going to be like 30 lacrosse girls later, and no one wants to fight for an elevator with 30 college ladies. I keep saying girls. I shouldn't say that.
It's going to be like
They are ladies.
24.
24?
Yeah.
24 on the team.
I mean, if you count the coaches, I think that's what it is.
That's fine. Holly just turned the lights on. I love this. The lights above the headboard, I really like that.
And we got individual ones.
So yeah,
Set that off tonight.
plenty of lights in this room. Holly brought Dr. Pepper for us. What's this?
No, that's for us later. Those are really good.
Peach cookies.
Those are also
Georgia.
from Gatlinburg.
I forgot to grab the peanuts. We don't want to leave them in the car. They're
Yeah,
going to
we're
get
gonna go
melted. Okay. All right, this is the pool. Holly's regretting not bringing a swimsuit. Hopefully the lacrosse girls did. Hot tub and indoor pool. Pretty nice. Let's see how late it's open. It is open until 11 p.m. It's actually a good time. 5:30 to 11, and then you needed your key card to get in, which I like that extra security. And then they also have a pretty nice weight room with towels in there. Yeah, pretty cool. Here's the team's bus.
We have big signs.
I should start carrying around signs. Why do I not carry around signs for the girls?
Where'd you guys eat?
It's the next morning. We're following the bus to the college, which is going to be about 10 minutes from our hotel. So for the Holiday Inn Express, it was fine. The room was great. It was a little loud for us personally because we were near the pool and it's open till 11 p.m. And it's fine. I'm not complaining about it. I'm just observing. Just people running up and down the hall since we're
Speed camera ahead.
So if you want quiet, don't be near the pool. But I always bring a fan for secondary noise, and that worked great. The free breakfast was great. So,
They had actual bacon, which I think this is our first breakfast in the last 2 years that has actual bacon and not just sausage patty or sausage links.
That's true. And so yeah, good breakfast, good hotel. We're definitely a fan of Holiday Inn Express. And now we're going through downtown
Cedar Rapids.
Cedar Rapids.